I just found a new platform where you can get paid to complete social media tasks, and you can also post tasks for others to complete and earn. You can use it to boost your social media account. So now the name of this platform is called Naira Workers. Now let me go to the website to show you how it looks like. So guys, this is how the website looks like. You can hire many random workers, or you can perform simple tasks here. So what you just do is to click on. Now you can see I've already started earning. My balance now is 600 naira. The minimum is 3000 naira. So what you just do is to click on these available jobs. Now you can see you do tasks. You can filter it to the highest paying, then you complete all these tasks to earn. So now let's get into the next step. So now how do you post job? What you simply do is click on this employer here, then you can see this post job, click on it, then you can either use your earnings or you put in money to boost your account. As you can see, then you put your link, your website, your account link, then people follow and get paid. As you can see, put the amount. So that's just it. Now you'll be earning. So how can you join this platform? Click on this worker, then click on wallet. So you click on withdraw earnings. So the minimum is 3000 naira, as you can see here. So once you reach the minimum, you'll be able to withdraw. Guys, that is just all about this platform. I'm going to be leaving a link to this platform, so just check the pinned comment or the description section of this video to get started on this platform. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell beside the subscription button to get notified when I release new videos like this. I'm going to still make another video to show you if truly I've been able to withdraw or not. So stay tuned and I'll see you in my next video.